अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बायोलॉजी 11th चैप्टर 10 ह्यूमन रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम की एक्सरसाइज के MCQs को सॉल्व करेंगे। फर्स्ट MCQs इज ड्यूरिंग इनहेलेशन डायफ्राम कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड मूव्स अपवर्ड, contracts and moves downward, relaxes and moves upward. Fourth option is relaxes and moves downward. During inhalation, the diaphragm contracts and moves downward, increasing chest cavity volume and lowering air pressure, which pulls air into the lungs. So the exact answer is contracts and moves downward. Next is which part of the respiratory system act as the respiratory surface? Larynx, trachea, bronchi or alveoli? Alveoli are tiny air sacs in the lungs where exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide take place between air and blood. That's why they act as respiratory surface. So the exact answer is alveoli. Next is how many molecules can attach with a hemoglobin molecule? 1, 2, 3 or 4. One hemoglobin molecule has 4 iron atoms and each iron atom binds one oxygen molecule. So a total of 4 oxygen molecules can attach. So the exact answer is 4. Next is what is true about respiratory pigments? Transport oxygen from lungs to tissues. Transport oxygen and carbon dioxide in equal amounts. Transport less oxygen and more carbon dioxide. Fourth option is regulate the pH of blood. Respiratory pigments like hemoglobin mainly help in carrying oxygen from the lungs to body tissues for respiration. So the exact answer is transport oxygen from lungs to tissues. Next is which respiratory pigment is found in muscle tissues? Hemoglobin, melanin, myoglobin or chlorophyll? Myoglobin is the red respiratory pigment in the muscles that stores and supplies oxygen for muscle activity. So the exact answer is myoglobin. Next is what is the maximum amount of air that can be inhaled or exhaled during a respiratory cycle? Tidal volume, vital capacity, inspiratory reserve volume or expiratory reserve volume. Vital capacity is the maximum amount of air a person can inhale and exhale in one full respiratory effort. It includes tidal, inspiratory and expiratory reserve volume. So the exact answer is vital capacity. Next is in what form is carbon dioxide primarily transported in the bloodstream? Dissolved in plasma, bound to hemoglobin, converted to bicarbonate ions, none of the above. Most carbon dioxide in the blood is converted into bicarbonate ions in red blood cells for easy transport to the lungs. So the exact answer is converted to bicarbonate ions. Next is which of the following treatment is commonly used to manage pulmonary TB? Antibiotics, cough syrup, surgery or chemotherapy? Pulmonary TB is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis and is treated with specific antibiotics. So the exact answer is antibiotics. Next is which of the following is a common causes of pneumonia? Bacterial infection, viral infection, fungal infection or all of these? Pneumonia can be caused by bacteria, viruses or fungi, all of which infect the lungs and cause inflammation of the alveoli. So the exact answer is all of these. Next is emphysema is characterized by inflammation of airways, narrowing of airways, destruction of the alveoli in the lungs or fluid buildup in lungs. In emphysema, the alveoli walls are damaged, reducing surface area for gas exchange and causing breathing difficulties. So the exact answer is destruction of the alveoli in lungs. तो ये थे चैप्टर 10 बायोलॉजी 11 चैप्टर 10 ह्यूमन रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम की एक्सरसाइज के MCQs। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इंशाल्लाह हम इस चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज के शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।